we can also do org level controls, like letting user into the transaction for certain fields and but blocking for certain org units. For example, what I mean by that is when we go into, say, the purchase info record. When I go into this transaction for a particular vendor here, with purchase org 1101 and client US01 and try to create a purchase info, you can see that there is a message here at the bottom that restricts the user from going into the transaction to create the purchase info. But if I change this to a different purchase org and try to go into the transaction, now you see that the user is able to go in and is able to create that purchase org, purchase info record. So this is an example of how we can also control the access not only through the context, but also through the business org units within the system and use that to enforce access control. So any kind of attribute, either master data or transaction data that is available in the system can be used to control access to the different information in the transaction. Similarly, one other transaction that I wanted to demonstrate is the sales order display. When we go into the sales order, again, here, you can see that the net value at the header level is available to the user. But when we go down to the item level to view the same info, just to demonstrate that we can control information at different levels, here, what we have done is we have removed the net value and the net price that's displayed to the user. So again, here you can see that the net price is 0 and it's not available, and net value, which is actually a non-zero value, has been has been displayed as 0 for this particular user. So information can be masked or not displayed for the user at different levels, such as header or item or even schedule line level if needed, and for different transactions such as master data or transactional level data.